Hey everyone, I'm Konstantinos and this is Konstantinos Tech. I've got another case video for you today. Today we'll be looking at the Spigen Rugged Armor Mag Fit designed for the iPhone 16 Pro. This case comes in black and gray. I picked up the gray one from Amazon. It's MagSafe capable and it says it has military grade drop protection, so let's take a closer look. Alright, here's a look at the Spigen Rugged Armor in gray. First impressions, I like it a lot. I mean, it has a really sleek design with a little carbon fiber lip on the bottom and the top. It does not have raised edges, so it does wobble a little bit when you put it on the table. It is made of TPU and it has a dual layer so that there's plenty of protection on the inside, as well as the Spigen air cushion on the edges. It also is MagSafe capable. I've not tested the specific level, but it is plenty strong. It has built-in buttons, and as you can see, it has a pretty large camera cutout. I'll talk about that more later. Let's throw the phone in this and see how it goes. Nice little click. Here's the 16 Pro in the Spigen MagFit case. It fits great. A little bit of a wobble because it does not have raised edges on the side, so it doesn't pass that test, but nice lip around the edge, so Slam Boy certified. The buttons feel nice and clicky on both sides. Action button is fine to use. My main issue with this is the camera control cutout. It's just not good. Now that you've seen the case, let's talk about it a little bit. Now let's get a quick weight of the Spigen Rugged Armor. Comes in at a total of 37 grams. We have the 16 Pro back in the case, so let's get the total weight. Combined, it is 247 grams. So the 16 Pro is 199 grams, and with the case, it's a bit heavier. It's not too bad, but it definitely is a little bit heavier. So I've been using this case for the last couple days, and overall it's great. It's super grippy. It's very protective. I can just toss it on the floor at the gym. And I think it looks nice. My main issue is that camera control cutout. It's just too big. You know, I've been looking for a case that has a cover for the camera control. I like to protect my devices. I know that I'm not as brave as a lot of you that can wear their phones caseless, but I like to have a case. A lot of the cases out there, the more expensive cases, all have cutouts, you know, from Mouse, from Nomad, and all these other very expensive brands. So I figured if the direction of cases are moving to have a cutout, let me try one, and I'll go with a brand that I trust. As for the Spigen case, it's just too big. It feels very unnatural. When you go to put your thumb on it, it feels like there's just a chunk missing. I would have much rather preferred if there was a tapered edge instead of just this big cutout. It's so big of a cutout that even the corner of the phone is visible here on this side. So, as for my recommendation, it's a great case. It's grippy, it's protective, but it feels unnatural in the hand, and I wouldn't recommend it. I hope that Spigen comes out with another updated version because I love this brand in this specific case model, but the cutout just isn't it. If you've learned anything in this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to see more, make sure to subscribe. This is Konstantinos with Konstantinos Tech. Thanks for tuning in.